EmbroideryStudio provides high-resolution TrueView for virtual embroidery. This is a technique that can provide commercial flexibility for many processes. Virtual embroidery can be printed on garments as is or in combination with graphic design or actual embroidery. Virtual decoration only. This heavily embroidered design would be too thick for a lightweight garment such as a t-shirt. It would also be costly to embroider as a whole design. To output the design as a high-res virtual decoration, start by visualizing the TrueView on a product backdrop. Make any size adjustments and open the Capture Virtual Decoration Bitmap dialog. For garments, good results can be obtained within a range of 200 to 400 dpi. Choose a suitable resolution and click OK to save a PNG file of the design. This PNG file can be printed to garment or other media. The transparent background won't be printed on the target fabric. For the purposes of virtual decoration, sequins and bling can be included in the output. Combined virtual embroidery and print. You can create interesting mixed decoration designs with virtual decoration. Here we combine graphics and virtual embroidery. The embroidered name is exported as virtual embroidery, while the number combines virtual embroidery and a background image. Switch to CorelDRAW graphics and choose a suitable resolution. This determines the detail at which the virtual embroidery will be rendered. Export from CorelDRAW as a PNG file. Adjust transparency, anti-aliasing, and DPI settings as necessary. Combined virtual and actual embroidery. In this example, we recycle an embroidered logo as a larger design. By combining virtual embroidery with actual lettering, we maintain an embroidered look at low cost. Create a virtual decoration of your embroidery design, in this case the logo, and import the PNG file into a blank design. Add the embroidery, in this case an embroidered name. To ensure you get perfect alignment between embroidery and digital print, you need to mark an explicit reference point with which to align the needle. Open the Auto Start and End dialog and choose to digitize the start-end point. Mark a point on the print design which the machinist can use when aligning the needle. Apart from embroidery, EmbroideryStudio supports design output for related decoration processes. Select the file Export Multi-Decoration Files command. Split embroidery production and print files and select formats to suit. The system writes all selected components to their specified locations.